lenses. The new study sheds some light on 6 different cases where someone slept in their lenses. One person ended up with infections in his eyes. A second patient had a pierced cornea in addition to an infection and had to get a transplant to save his eye. A girl who bought lenses without a prescription ended up with an ulcer on her cornea and some scarring. Experts say contact lenses should be removed every night and cleaned thoroughly. And of course, wash your hands before putting your fingers near your eyes for any reasons. And then never buy or wear contacts, they say, without seeing a doctor.
So that goes without saying.
I thought so too.
Thanks for saying it, though. So earlier this week, the U.S. Surgeon General, this is just yesterday.
Yeah. Earlier yesterday.
Surgeon General Jerome Adams, Dr. Jerome Adams, made the announcement that vaping was becoming an epidemic among children. He was at MD Anderson yesterday explaining that his reason for saying that was because there's been a 78% rise in young kids using e-cigarettes, 78%. Part of the problem with that is it can harm their brain development, make them more likely to become addicted to other drugs. He says that's particularly troublesome amid the opioid crisis. So Dr. Adams shared some personal information with Channel 2, saying he has a connection to the crisis because his own brother was sent to prison for crimes involving opioids.
But I still visit him. I took my young sons to go visit him because I wanted them to know and I wanted him to know that he's my family member, he's our family member.